All right, that's 2 pounds of our fully cooked chorizo crumbles in our crock pot. Next, I'm gonna grab my Philadelphia cream cheese and we're putting this right on top of our chorizo. I'm using chorizo for this, but you could also use an Italian sausage or a ground pork. And I'm adding 1 more block. These are both 8 ounces of cream cheese, so that's 16 ounces total. Now to season this up, I have my zesty Italian salad dressing mix, and we're gonna use this whole bag of mix right on top of our cream cheese and our chorizo. That is just gonna add some great seasoning and make this so flavorful. Next, I'm coming in with 1 cup of diced onion and we're putting that right on top. The onion is optional, but you guys know I love onion. So if it's optional, it's not optional in my house. And we're adding that whole cup of onions right in there. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious little crock pot appetizer. We're gonna add 16 ounces of sour cream, and this is a little bit more than 16 ounces, but we're just gonna put that to the sides of our crock pot, making sure to eyeball that 16 ounces right in there. I absolutely love making this, you know, for game day or for like a summer gathering, whatever I have a party. I love making this dip. It's in my rotation for appetizers, but I think that was about 16 ounces. Now you guys know what's coming next. It's a necessity. We have mozzarella cheese and we're doing the 1 pound bag. We're gonna use that whole 1 pound. I know it seems like a lot, but this is a chorizo dip. Yep, you heard that right. And we're just gonna go ahead and get all of that cheese in there. Cheese is just really what makes this dip come together. Make sure those blocks kind of get separated. You could obviously grate your own cheese, but I wanted this to be super easy, which is why I used the pre-cooked chorizo and the already shredded cheese. But that is it. That's how many ingredients this is. So quick, so easy. It's more affordable because it's only a couple ingredients, but we're gonna go ahead and pop this on high and let that cook. All right, it's been 2 hours on high. Let's go ahead and turn this off and let's check out our chorizo dip. Oh, look at that cheese perfectly melted. We're gonna bring in our large spoon and it is time to mix everything together. The cream cheese, the chorizo, the Italian seasoning, the onions, the mozzarella. This is gonna be so incredible. We just gotta make sure we really get everything well combined. This is gonna be cheesy, delicious. It's gonna have that meaty flavor, the onions. Oh, look how it's just coming together. You could even do a taco seasoning instead of the Italian, but I think the Italian is a fun little twist. Not a lot of people use it, so I think it's gonna be so tasty. All right, let's just put in our strength and get this well mixed. All right, this looks like it's ready to taste. If you wanted a little bit thinner, you could add some heavy cream, but I'm happy with that. I love a thick dip. I got my Tostitos here, so let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh, we needed a stronger chip. That is so tasty. Wow. You guys are gonna really like this.